Yo guys, you already know these joints was double up, triple up, hey, you might as well quadruple up on this OG colorway. That's how much I like these joints inside the box today. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys come pull up, come chop it up with your boy The Vintage. You guys know I try to respond to every single comment. I don't try to, I don't care if I'm a whole 2-3 weeks late. I'm gonna respond to your comments. So go ahead and chop it up with me down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about whatever we are talking about in these videos, man. So if you're new, go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, join the family, and make sure you guys please leave a huge like on today's video. And like I said, that notification bell is very important so you don't miss out on little shop drop informations, restocks, exclusive access, all that good stuff, because we might be seeing something very shortly for those Palominos behind me. Let me point to them. Hold on. There they go right there. You don't want to miss out on information that we do have for the Palominos. I mean, I am hearing a little bit of something about them joints and a couple other silhouettes we will be getting for the rest of year 2023, man. All right, man. So here we have them, bruh. Here we have them. I told y'all from the jump, these right here was a no-brainer double up. And a lot of people say, yo, why do you want to double up so bad? It's because I used to have a pair of these and I sold them like, I don't know why. I don't know why I sold them. Sometimes I go through this phase where I feel like I don't need any shoes and I only need like 50. And then there's certain times like now where I end up buying 50 more than what I already just had. So it's always up and down battle with me. I try to, downsize the collection every year, but I end up just still buying those, sneakers more on top of that. So it's just crazy, man. You guys let me know real quick down below in the comment section, how many pairs of sneakers do you have in your sneaker collection right now today? Go ahead and comment down below. Very interested in knowing, man. All right, guys, so we're going ahead and peel the box open, man. Let's go ahead and peel the box open. You guys see it, man. Y'all see what we have. Y'all see what we have, bro. We have a Nike up top, the red Nike. It's a Jordan 1 box. You guys should know exactly what these are, man. Now, I got this video right here came with a little twist, you know what I'm saying? I've seen a lot of people talking about it, but I've been telling you guys, I've been telling you guys for a minute, these right here are going to be going for a lot of money. Hopefully I can put some little clips in here and stuff like that. But I'm telling y'all, these joints right here is some heaters. And if you don't buy them now, you're going to regret it later. Y'all go ahead and screen record this. If you don't buy them now, you're on the fence, you're going to regret it miserably later down the line, man. So let's go ahead and get into these Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG White, Black, Varsity Red. Oh, I'm gonna drop the box. You guys see it, man. Size 9 gang. I was even thinking about going down, have size. Like, you know what? Let me go true to size. We ain't gonna do nothing too crazy. So, yeah. Shout out to Nike. Your boy hit on. Ooh, hold on. Them things strong. Hey, Retro, I need you, bro. Retro, I need you, man. Cause I'm telling you, these things smelling real good. And here we have them, man. The Air Jordan 1 Low Black toes, man. So go ahead and pull both the sneakers out of the box, bro. Let's go ahead and pull them both out. Like I told y'all, we did double up on this pair, and oh my God, these just, every time I look at them, bro, I just fall in love with them over again. I ain't trying to overhype them, but I love the black toes. I used to have the black toes back in the day. I tried to look for a picture back when I did have them before I did YouTube, and I didn't know what I was wearing. I don't know how I was rocking them. I know it was some goofy way, but nonetheless, I had the black toes and they were super clean, super dope. And I ended up selling for like $220. If y'all check the resale price on the black toe highs now, you'll probably be laughing at me like I laugh at myself every day. Every time I think about when I did sell a lot of, I sold the storm blue ones. I sold the black toe ones. Just some pairs I should have held on to, but I didn't, man. So you guys already know the huge talk right now is the lacing you should throw in these. I know a lot of people go with the sail. I know some people go with the white. Some people go in the red, black. Everybody doing different things. But for me, man, I definitely think them white things is some hitters, bro. Look at the white laces in them. Super, super clean. And what's crazy is I had no other Air Jordan 1 Low for the laces. Laces is the difference between highs and lows. So I had to pull these out a pair of mids, and yeah, they still fit pretty good. Ain't too loose, but definitely the white is a go for me. And if you do have the cell laces, you can go ahead and rock out with that. You guys know it did come with extra black laces. I know black looks good in there. I seen some red, like I said, I seen some cell. But for me, man, the white is just super, super dope, man. Look at that. Just get a little quick 360 of them, man, with the white laces in there. Leather quality good. And it seems like the pairs came pretty consistent as far as the leather quality. The leather is super tumbled around the toe box, if that picks up for you guys. Still looking real nice on the leather. And even on the side panels, you got some nice plush leather on the side as well. And I know somebody commented in the other video I did with On Feet, they said they got 4 pairs. And I don't blame you. I'm telling y'all, later down the line, like I said, you can go look at all the lows, like OG colorway low prices. And I even have the SE. Let me grab the SEs real quick. Just go ahead and grab these lows real quick. The SE, guys. So you guys see, this is the SE Jordan 1 low. I picked these up back when I stayed in Germany. It's actually the last pair of shoes I bought when I lived in Germany. But you guys see, I'll put some wears to these. That should tell you how much I do like the black toes. This is the SE Jordan 1 low. And do a little quick comparison with the OG lows. This is the SE, or hold on, this is the SE over here with the Wings logo on the bottom of the heel, and this is the OG quote unquote, you feel me? So you guys see the differences. But if you check the prices on these, and I didn't even check the prices on these black toe lows. I actually watched Jay's video and he put the price on there. I said, bro, there's no way these are going for that much money. I didn't know it. Like I said, I've been having these for a while and beat these things up, but the resale price is looking high for an SE Jordan 1 low of OG colorway. Just like the Chicago 1 lows going for $2,000, $3,000. UNC 1 lows going for that much money. Bruh, the OG black toes are to be going for as much money as those other OG Jordan 1 lows. I'm telling y'all, hey, don't sleep too much longer, man. I'm trying to help you guys out, bro. And like I told you guys in the recap video, I actually hit on another pair for the homie. He was actually like on a trip or something like that. He couldn't, access the sneakers app when he was on the flight. So I said, you know what, bro, I got you. So I end up, picking up his size as well on my second account, like I told you guys. So let's go ahead and pull these out real quick, okay. And here you guys have it. Check out the size 11, I think. Yeah, he rocked the size 11 right there. Same old thing. Just want to check him out real quick. Shout out to my boy Brown, I was happy I can help him out as always, bro. I try to help all my boys out. And yeah, leather quality, all that stuff looks super nice as well. Even on the size 11, I think like the size 11 got some softer leather quality, man. Boy, they did a thing with these Jordan 1 low black toes, man. So yeah, man, that pretty much wraps up today's unboxing. A double up that was necessary, you feel me? I might even pick up a third pair, just like I'm contemplating picking up a third pair of the reimagined 3s, because I feel like that price gonna go crazy later. And the reason why I keep telling y'all like double up and triple up and stuff, because I like to wear, when I get into like a sneaker high, like for instance, the reimagined 3s, I was wearing them so much. Like I said, yo, I need another pair. And I feel like it's gonna get to the point where, I'm gonna burn through the second pair and I'm gonna need that other crispy pair on nice. That's why I'm, flirting with tripling up on them bad boys, but we shall see. But let me know how many pairs you did cop of the reimagined 3s, of the black toes. I'm very interested in knowing. I know some people out there with the lost and founds that have like 6 pairs. Like, bro, if you got a size 9, just send me a pair for retail, man. So make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss on any content. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give a huge like if you did. And go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think about the black toe ones, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.